What is Engineering by Chelsea Clothier. Engineering is applying science and math in order to solve problems in the world and involves designing, building, and maintaining structures or making them better. Four major types of engineering are chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering. Chemical engineers. This type of engineer uses chemistry, physics, and mathematical equations in order to solve real-world problems. Problems they may solve include the production or use of chemicals, fuel, drugs, food, and many other products. They also design processes and equipment for large-scale manufacturers. They make sure it is safe and will work efficiently. Civil engineers. Civil engineers design bridges, buildings, or other structures. Also, they work with the way roads and sewers are designed. They can figure out how to make a bridge more secure or more sturdy to keep them from falling down, or how to change the way roads run for safety reasons. Electrical engineers. They design new and more improved electronics. They do test runs and experiment with new designs and solve problems with it. They continue making the designs better, and if something doesn't work with the electronic, they find out why and fix it. They worked on all electronics, cell phones, cars, robots, wiring, navigation systems, and other tools. Mechanical engineers. Tools, engines, and machines are tested, improved, and changed by mechanical engineers. They develop prototypes of designs and test them over and over again until they work. They visit other workplaces in the community to help with any mechanical problem they could be having. Material engineering. Study of material strength, properties of materials used in construction, ceramics, etc. Material engineering is a branch of civil engineering that is more specific to just material. It is necessary to have knowledge of physics and chemistry. Material science also is important for forensic engineering. Selected achievement description. Computers is the achievement I did research on. The first computer started out being big enough to take up a whole room and being very expensive. As it got smaller, still very few people had them. As they got more popular, they started being more accessible, and nowadays we are able to basically hold a computer in one hand, our smartphones. Which discipline of engineering was most involved in this achievement? Computer engineering was most involved in making and enhancing computers. It involves many different kinds of electrical engineering and computer sciences. Engineers specialized in these subjects who made computers what they are today. Computer engineering will most be helpful with securing cyberspace. A computer engineer knows most about how computers work and will understand how to make cyberspace and the internet safer for everyone who uses it every day. The Secure Cyberspace Challenge. This challenge involves making protection greater than firewalls, which can be easily broken. Better approaches are needed to make hardware, software, and data in computer systems more efficient and safe, and to verify user identities. Fingerprint readers are one example of where this could be leading. Why is this challenge important? Computing electronically and communicating electronically pose some of the most difficult and complex challenges engineering has ever faced. It is important to protect the confidentiality and integrity of personal information and staying clear of identity theft. Computers must control most of the world's transportation. Traffic lights and reading airplanes are an example. Computers being hacked into and disrupted can cause a lot of confusion in the world and cause very many severe things to go wrong. How can an engineer and computers contribute to the solution? An engineer could do a lot of research on which type of security typically works best in protecting cyberspace and enhance it. They could add a fingerprint scanner or another idea specific to one person to keep others from damaging computers or hacking or stealing people's identities. The end.